Kava Kava, everything you need to know. Kava Kava is a plant which is known to provide a wide range of health benefits. Its use can be in form of the root extract or the rhizomes. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on Kava Kava, everything you need to know. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. Consult your doctor or nutritionist on the quantities best suited to you. Benefits of kava on the body include: helps relieve anxiety. Kavalactones are the major active compounds found in kava. The root extracts contains 3 to 20% of this phytonutrient. The kavalactones are known to have a calming effect on the body. For this reason, they are used in the management of stress and anxiety. Its calming effect is through the elevation of mood-stabilizing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine found in the brain. A study carried out on the use of this plant substance by people with anxiety disorders for a period of time showed noticeable alleviation of the various symptoms of this disease condition, like sweating, headaches, fear, panic, etc. Aids sleep. People tend to sleep only when they are in a relaxed state. Kavalactones in kava extracts have a muscle-relaxing effect, making them an example of a good sedative. This effect is of great importance in those experiencing any form of sleep disorder. Consumption of kava extract for at least 4 weeks produces a calming effect that could help improve the quality of sleep in people. Antidepressant. Kava plants have been shown to have a good effect on depression. It causes an increase in serotonin levels in the brain. Elevation of this neurotransmitter induces a pleasant mental state, reduces fatigue and anxiety. Do consider researching this further if it's something you're in need of. Symptoms of menopause. Relief periods of perimenopause and menopause. Women experience different symptoms like hot flushes, night sweats, insomnia, anxiety, and irritability. Kava Kava have been shown to depress these symptoms because of its anti-anxiety properties by the kavalactones it contains. Thus, the intake of kava offers them a calming effect and improves their quality of life. Treatment of drug addiction. Drug addiction is a compulsive feeling to continually use a certain drug irrespective of its adverse effects on the body. Non-use of these drugs manifests as withdrawal symptoms like tremor, sweating, nausea, agitation, etc. These drugs have the ability to cause compulsion because it reduces the level of dopamine in the brain. With the use of kava extracts, there is a gradual build-up in the levels of dopamine and serotonin, which protects the brain and helps to break off compulsion and the withdrawal symptoms. Treatment of epilepsy and seizure. Kava extracts can be used to treat epilepsy and seizures because of its muscle-relaxing effects. Its intake reduces muscle activity, increases the seizure threshold, and enhances the anticonvulsant action of diazepam when used in combination. Anti-inflammatory. Inflammatory diseases are usually caused by the overexpression of inflammatory mediator proteins. Conditions where these mediators are expressed, like in arthritis, leads to redness, swelling, feeling of pain on that affected part of the body. The active compound kavalactones helps in relieving the symptoms of inflammation in such a disease condition. Its consumption has been noted to reduce swelling of the affected part and help in recovery. Boosts immunity. Kava pyrones are immune boosters. They stimulate an increase in the level of the circulating white blood cells, especially the T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, which are the immune cells that help to fight infections. Studies have confirmed a significant antibacterial action in kava too, and in that regard, kava is used in the treatment of urinary tract infections, UTI, candidiasis, common cold, and different skin diseases. Local analgesic. Kava extracts have demonstrated an analgesic property as they were found to reduce the intensity of pain in demonstrated test subjects. The analgesia produced by kava is not believed to occur through the opiate pathway, but by the inhibition enzymes of the inflammatory pathway. Kava, therefore, can be utilized in painful disease conditions as a pain relief. Brain protection. Kavalactones have a neuroprotective effect. They protect the brain against the harmful effects of oxidative stress, which can cause cell death and different brain diseases like dementia, Alzheimer's, etc., by acting as antioxidants. We hope you enjoyed this video on Kava Kava, everything you need to know. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video and also invite you to subscribe to our channel. Do take a look around our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like, share and subscribe for more healthy content. Thanks for watching.